today we're gonna make a leg knife. You can see that I can open and close. It's gonna be very safe if it's a real knife, but it's just Legos, so it's okay. It's not gonna hurt. Like you can play with it too. You might can cut it with you can make cut with steak if it's very strong. So this is how the knife looks like. I'm just using like these pieces, like whatever these. You can use whatever piece you want. Okay, I'm going to go upstairs and I'm gonna go upstairs and just close the door. My mom speaks Chinese, okay? So for 1 minute. Was that 1 minute or not? I think so it is. So this is how the knife look like. So yeah, you can see I got some like dark slimes, things like that. I got more toys, okay. And the back screen is what I'm playing with downstairs. This is how the knife look like. I'm just using black and other colors. I like the camouflage it too. So let's get started. This is one of the pieces you need. You need 2 of these, okay? And you need this pieces. Put it here. And 2 of these. And 2 of these. I got one in my hand, okay? And a black stud. And a square stud, I think. I don't really know the names of it, so I'm just calling it. And another one. And another one that's purple. But you can do whatever cut you want. And this long piece. This is actually 8. This is actually 8 by 8 flat piece. And you can see here. Oh no, I think 1 by 8. I don't really know the words. And let me show you that. And another one of these. And a yellow one. You don't need to use the same as me, but it's okay. And these pieces are tricky to take off. And one of these. These are actually a last flat piece, I know. And this. There's white, this and this. So let's get started. First, you need this piece. You can see it from the video. You might need to pause it or not. Then put this over here. You can put the stud over here, but I think I want to change my mind. I'm gonna put this over here. Then I'm gonna put this. You can pause it or not. Just then you show it. It's kind of like a cuckoo bird or not. And kind of steady a bit. And then use this yellow stuff right here. And you can put this over here. But I'm not going to change the angle of it or not. I'm going to put all of these over here. You don't need to put all of those over here, but I'm just wanting to do it. So, this is how it looks like. Oh, forgot to put this thingy here. So, this is how it looks like now. So, these 4 pieces are equal to 4 pieces I put it on. Then put this white thingy. See here? See this? Then put this. You need 2 of these and put it on here. I'll go speed run it. So this is how it look like. Then put a black piece or not. You can use whatever color you want. I'm just using another black one. Okay. And I'm gonna change the pieces, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna change black. Remember, you don't need to use the same pieces as me. Right now, we're building the actual knife. The knife is just not this. It's not this. It's just not this thing. First, grab this and put it over here. And then grab this. Oops. This thingy and put it here. Then put this here. Oops. Oh, I forgot this piece. Put it here. You can see it for a second or not. I actually put 3 pieces, okay? Then and then put the white piece here and put it here. Actually, this is actually nighttime, okay? Don't say it's nighttime. Nighttime, okay? And then see this thingy? Put it right over here. Now it looks like this. Oops, it fell down. Oh, I thought I lost my piece, but I didn't. You see here? Then put this another one, this thingy, and put it here. Just like sandwich. And you possibly can cut things with this. You don't want to smack it, otherwise it's gonna like explode. And you can open and close it. You can see inside it. I'm trying to make it a bit smoother to open so it's not gonna like fall off. And then it's gonna be like this. Put it like a hand sandwich again. And you can see mine from here in the angle, whatever thingies that's called. And yeah, so this knife is designed like this. So yeah, I'm not sure how much piece I actually built in with this. I'm just tearing it apart so you can see what the pieces I use. In case you forgot, and what the colors you use. In case you want to do the same as me. I used 2 gray studs, okay? 2 gray studs, right? And a big long piece, 2 of them. See here? I actually grabbed all of those Legos from under there. I got a lot of Legos there. And 2 of these. You can do a different color, purple, and I just do purple and white. Oops, these things go here. And 2 of these thingies. And a big white piece. It's actually 3. 3, a big 3 rock. Then this is how look, and this is how the bottom part that sticks over here look like. And this is the knife part of the bottom of the knife. And this is how the knife part over here look like. And these are all the white and black thingy over there. Yeah. I'm just gonna rebuild, okay? So that's the whole video. Bye.